Good afternoon, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to do another ferment. And what we're going to be fermenting is our garlic. So let's get started. All right, friends, for fermenting our garlic, we are going to need 3 garlic bulbs. You're going to need some kosher salt or canning salt and a 1/2 pint mason jar with a lid and a ring. Step 1, we're going to go ahead and remove all of our cloves from the bulbs, and then we're going to wash them really well. All right, friends, so once your garlic is all cleaned and dried, now we're gonna go ahead and transfer this to a food processor, and we're gonna blend it up until it becomes a paste. And we're gonna turn it on a pulse, and we're gonna just go until it completely blends into a paste. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and transfer our garlic paste into a 1/2 pint mason jar. Now to our paste, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of your salt. And then go ahead and mix it really well. This smells amazing. Now you wanna make sure you pack it down really nicely and get as much as you can off of the side of the jars as possible. Now at this point, go ahead and get your lid and your ring, and you want it nice and tight. All right, friends, and there we go. Our garlic spread is now ready to sit. This is gonna be a 30-day ferment, and what you're gonna wanna do is every day come through, open up your lid and your ring, let it burp, stir it up, make sure the mixture's back down, wipe it off the sides, stick your lid and ring back on, and put it back into your cupboard to sit. Every day you're gonna wanna do that for 30 days, and at the end of 30 days, your ferment should be done. And then you can go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator and use it however you want. Friends, I will see you back in 30 days to see how this tastes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, friends, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day. All right, friends, so as promised, we are gonna go ahead and try our pickled eggs that we did together. I am so excited to try these eggs. Already it smells really good. Now this is the one that I have the cayenne pepper in, so I'm curious to see if it's gonna have a little bit of heat to it. Wow, these are good. It definitely tastes the vinegar, and it does change the texture of the egg. It's more of a rubbery, chewy texture than just a soft egg, but I like it. This is really good. I don't get any heat from the cayenne. I think it's the vinegar that I'm tasting. I will definitely be doing this more often with my eggs.